Hello everyone, welcome back to Living Life Learning. To start, I want you to listen carefully to these words. I am very ugly, so don't try to convince me that I am a very beautiful person. Because at the end of the day, I hate myself in every single way. And I'm not going to lie to myself by saying there's beauty inside of me that matters. So, rest assured, I will remind myself that I am a worthless, terrible person, and nothing you say will make me believe I still deserve love, because no matter what, I am not good enough to be loved, and I am in no position to believe that beauty does exist within me, because whenever I look in the mirror, I always think, am I as ugly as people say? Now, let's read it again, but this time in reverse. Am I as ugly as people say? Because whenever I look in the mirror, I always think beauty does exist within me, and I'm in no position to believe that I'm not good enough to be loved, because no matter what, I still deserve love, and nothing you say will make me believe that I am a worthless, terrible person. So, rest assured, I will remind myself there's beauty inside of me that matters, and I'm not going to lie to myself by saying I hate myself in every single way, because at the end of the day, I am a very beautiful person. So don't try to convince me that I'm very ugly. Now, what if I told you that the way you talk to yourself works the same way? Before we continue, let me introduce myself. I'm Annan, a licensed therapist with years of experience in various mental health settings. My mission is to use my expertise to help you on your journey towards improved mental health and self-improvement. Now, let's jump right into this video. Every single day, we tell ourselves a story about who we are, what we're capable of, and what we deserve. And most of the time, we don't even realize we're doing it. But why does this matter? It matters because the words we use to describe ourselves become the foundation of our reality. If you constantly tell yourself, I'll never be good enough, your brain will believe it. And not only that, it will start looking for proof that that is true. But if you tell yourself, I'm learning, growing, and improving every day, your brain will believe that too. Our words, especially the ones we repeat, become the lens through which we see ourselves and the world. Have you ever noticed how it's so much easier to believe something negative about yourself than something positive? That's not just in your head. There's actual psychology behind it. First, confirmation bias. Our brains are wired to search for proof of what we already believe. So, if you think I'm bad at this, you'll notice every mistake, but completely ignore the moments when you actually did well. Then there's neuroplasticity. Every thought you repeat, whether positive or negative, strengthens neural connections in your brain. Over time, those thoughts become automatic patterns, shaping how you feel and behave. And finally, self-compassion versus self-criticism. You might think that being hard on yourself will motivate you, but research shows the opposite. People who practice self-compassion, who speak to themselves with kindness, are actually more resilient and more successful in the long run. So, how do we change this? Step 1. Identify your inner pretty ugly thoughts. I want you to think about something you say to yourself when you're struggling. Maybe it's, I always mess up, I'm not good enough, or no one really cares about me. These statements may feel true at the moment, but they are in fact, they are just habits of thought. Step 2, flip the narrative. Let's take those same statements and rewrite them. Instead of, I always mess up, try, I'm learning and every mistake is a step forward. Instead of, I'm not good enough, try, I'm worthy as I am and I'm always growing. Instead of, no one really cares about me, try, I'm deeply loved even if I can't always see it. The words didn't change, but the way you look at them did. And that makes all the difference. So, here's what I want you to do. Take a moment right now. Think about a negative belief you have about yourself. Got it? Now, flip it. What's the reframe? Drop your new empowering belief in the comments. I'd love to read them and encourage you on your journey. So, as you've learned, our words shape our reality. Every time you speak to yourself, you are either building yourself up or tearing yourself down. Today, I challenge you to choose words that empower you. And if you're ready to take this even further, to build lasting self-confidence, silence your inner critic, and step into your true worth, I invite you to check out my self-esteem improvement course. As a thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, I'm giving you an exclusive discount. Use the code EMPOWER53 at checkout to get 53% off the current discounted price. You'll find the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on mental health and self-development. And remember, what you say to yourself matters. So make it something worth believing. I'll see you in the next one. Take care.